God's truth to replace the enemy's lies. God's truth to replace the enemy's lies. Welcome to the Hour of Feeding on Jesus International. Today's reading Bible verse is taken from the book of Philippians, chapter 4, verse 8. Fix your thoughts on what is true and honorable and right and pure and lovely and admirable. Think about things that are excellent. Think of things that are excellent and worthy of praise. Amen. Beloved, what mental movies are you playing in your head today? Are they thoughts of defeat and despair or thoughts of victory and favor? Faith is simply saying what God says about you and saying what God sees in you and your situation. It takes a thought to heal a thought. Unlike the world, which teaches you to empty your mind to achieve peace, God's way is to fill your mind with fresh, powerful, and redeeming thoughts. The Apostle Paul tells us, fix your thoughts on what is true and honorable and right and pure and lovely and admirable. Think about things that are excellent and worthy of praise. Philippians chapter 4 verse 8. So it is not just trying to blot out bad thoughts with your willpower. It takes a thought to replace a thought. It takes a right belief to replace a wrong belief. You need God's truth to replace the enemy's lies that have kept you in bondage. Beloved, if a wrong, bad, or negative thought is lodged in your mind today and you can't seem to shake it, stop trying. Perhaps you are lying in a hospital bed and can't help but think of the worst case scenario. You are attempting to suppress it, but it is not working. Well, stop. Stop trying to erase it from your mind. That just won't work. What you need to do is replace that destructive thought with a thought that is from God. That is the only way to deal with a wrong thought and begin the healing process. Beloved, start to meditate on the truths such as surely Jesus has borne my sicknesses and carried my pains. The chastisement for my wholeness fell upon him, and by his stripes I am healed. With long life he will satisfy me. See Isaiah chapter 53 verses 4 and 5 and Psalm 91 verse 16. Beloved, begin to play mental movies of yourself getting well. Begin to play mental movies of yourself being discharged from the hospital, having fun with kids, or going on a nice holiday. Amen. Shalom. Stay tuned and remain blessed. Share this video and bless the soul. Shalom.